Welcome back to English with Alia. Are you ready for 10 plus questions on English grammar? Today we're focusing on prepositions with adjectives. Let's see how well you know your prepositions. The teacher is good. Mathematics. You have options to, in, or at. What do you think? At. The teacher is good at mathematics. The child is afraid. The dark. After, of, or to. What's your pick? Of. The child is afraid of the dark. The parents were angry. The result. At, to, or with. What are you going with? And yes, it's with. The parents were angry with the result. I'm familiar this topic. Choose one, with, to, or after. Which option? With. I'm familiar with this topic. The manager is responsible. The project. After, to, or for. Make your selection. For. The manager is responsible for the project. He is capable solving this problem. Of, with, or to. What will it be? Of. He is capable of solving this problem. The students are interested learning new languages. What's your vote? Is it in, to, or about? In. The students are interested in learning new languages. The athlete is proud of his achievements. Got an idea? On, after, or off. Off. The athlete is proud of his achievements. She's worried. Her exam results. Which do you prefer, at, about, or to? About. She's worried about her exam results. The team is satisfied their performance. With, to, or on. Which option? With. The team is satisfied with their performance. And the last one, I'm in love. You. At, in, or with. Got an idea? Yes, with. I'm in love with you. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more English quiz videos like this.